Our school, Sterspruit Christian Private School, a private school situated in the rural town of Sterspruit in the Eastern Cape, currently houses 630 learners from grade R up to grade 12. We are very proud of the fact that our learners are making great progress. We had grade 12s from 2006, so this will make it our 10th year of having grade 12 students. During this 10-year period of grade 12s, we actually managed to achieve a 99.2% pass rate and an 84.3% matric exemption rate for our students, which makes us extremely proud of all the hard work that our teachers is doing right from grade R up to grade 12.
Can you hear him weeping as the father turns his face?
I was appointed as Deputy Chief Education Specialist for the Early Childhood Development here in Sterkspruit in 1997.
Chris was at the Education Department and he convinced me that there is a real lack of proper education in this area here. So we opened up in January 1998 with the idea just to have a bridging class to enable the learners from the remote area here to speak English, or at least to understand English, and later on to be able that they can communicate in English.
I will praise you, Lord my God.
These students are following the national syllabus, which is called CAPS, and we as school are fully partaking in this education system. We will therefore partake in all forms of assessment as well as in all forms of moderation housed by the Department of Education. Currently we are also having 27 academic staff members.
We bought our own earth-moving equipment in 2008, and we started with our own school grounds. We had a hill here at the back of the school that we had leveled, and we planted the grass there, and currently we are busy with a pavilion. We visited the Mighty Men Conference in Greytown with Angus Buchan, and there we were led by the Holy Spirit to come back and build a venue for praise and worship for our school. And that is when we started building the school hall. Up to today we haven't got plans for it, we didn't budget for it, and that building was erected only in faith, and we are very proud of our hall. Our hall is used just for praise and worship, for school gatherings, school sport and things like that, and we don't rent the hall out at all. We are very proud to be the owners of the school.
The other very important thing is that our learners have managed to obtain an 84.3% average in university exemption. Some things that's making us extremely proud of our older learners that have already left the school, is that in a wide range of study areas, they have performed extremely well. We have managed to produce engineers, people that have studied in medicine, people that have studied in the laws, and also even people that have studied in journalism. All of these learners have qualified. Some of them went on to do their honours degrees, and some of them are currently busy with their master's degrees. So for us, very important in the school is not only the academic preparation of our learners, but also the moral and the work ethics that we generate with our learners.
And our aim is really to teach young children and to be worthy, to be serviceable citizens of our country.